In this video we are going to talk about 10 superfoods to boost your skin. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. We've all heard that you are what you eat. But, most importantly, your skin is a reflection of what you eat. We believe in superfoods and doing our best with our holistic wellness, and seeing the benefits on your skin as an added bonus. Here are the superfoods you should be eating if you want your skin to look its best. Number 10. Avocados. Avocados are the answer to beautiful skin, healthy hair, and a happy gut, regardless of your budget. These superfood fruits have moisturizing properties and are high in healthy monounsaturated fats. They're high in vitamin E, which has long been known to aid in the maintenance of the skin's barrier function and the prevention of moisture loss, which give you a full, joyful inner glow. Number 9. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which helps your skin support lovely collagen, which smooths out fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C is recognized as a critical element in enhancing skin's general texture, yet many of us aren't receiving enough of it. Drinking a glass of warm water with a whole lemon squeezed into it first thing in the morning is not only good for your gut, but it also helps you boost your vitamin C consumption, which benefits your skin. Number 8. Carrots. We've previously discussed retinol in full, and you'll find it in the majority of your anti-aging skincare products. But where does retinol come from in our diet? Carrots. Carrot juice's beta-carotene may also help your skin. A carotenoid-rich diet may protect your skin from UV damage and improve its appearance, according to one study. Vitamin C and beta-carotene, two antioxidants found in carrot juice, may help protect your skin from harm. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is converted to retinol, and hence to vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the most important elements for skin rejuvenation, self-healing, and soothing. A carrot a day will help you achieve that healthy glow. Number 7. Blueberries. Blueberries have been on the superfoods list for years, not only because of their high antioxidant content, but also because of their anthocyanins, which are known to aid in cancer prevention. According to current studies, consuming blueberries can help clear your skin from the inside out by removing toxins and free radicals. Number 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranates have 3 times the antioxidants of green tea or red wine, as well as a powerful antioxidant called polyphenols. Polyphenols protect your skin from harmful UV radiation while also assisting in the reduction of age indicators such as fine lines and wrinkles. Use the Miss Vitality Elevate nutritional blend to add more pomegranate to your diet. It's designed to provide you a nutrient boost for your lifestyle. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli has several vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to skin health, such as zinc, vitamin A, and vitamin C. 20. Lutein protects your skin from oxidative damage, which can cause it to wrinkle and become dry. Not only are cruciferous veggies nourishing and high in antioxidants, but broccoli, in particular, is high in vitamin C. Look for supplements that contain power greens, such as broccoli, to help you improve your overall nutrition and vitamin C intake. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon promotes hydration, which is reflected in the appearance of your skin. Salmon's omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids work together to nourish your skin from the inside out. If the notion of eating more fish doesn't appeal to you, you may always use Miss Vitality Good Oil Capsules, which contain 1,000 milligrams of fish oil derived from tiny fish sources and are therefore better for the environment. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel have been linked to reduced inflammation, which may help keep skin moisturized. They're also high in high-quality protein, vitamin E, and zinc. Number 3. Capsicum. Capsicum contains nearly 3 times the amount of vitamin C contained in an orange. Capsicum contains vitamin C, which brightens the skin and firms it by assisting in the production of collagen. It has long been popular in the Korean beauty market. Capsicum consumption keeps the skin clear and helps to prevent rashes and acne. It contains vitamin A, which is beneficial to the eyes and aids in the prevention of eye problems. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are a nutritious powerhouse for the skin. They're loaded with antioxidants, nutritious omega-3 fatty acids, and a slew of other vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nuts will give your skin the boost it needs, whether you consume them as a snack, substitute them for pine nuts in pesto, or include them in your morning smoothie. Walnuts include the potent antioxidant vitamin E, which helps the skin seem younger and healthier. Walnuts include vitamin E, which may aid in the battle against free radicals induced by stress. This can assist to slow down the aging process. Walnuts contain antioxidants that may help your skin brighten as well. Number 1. Edamame. The edamame is a staple in Japanese families and has long been regarded to be the key to Japanese women's ability to age gracefully. Isoflavone, a phytoestrogen with skin-plumping properties, is abundant in these soybeans. It can restore a bit of the glow we had in our 20s for those of us on the lower end of the estrogen cycle. No judgments here. Simply order edamame as a side dish with your sushi and you're set to go. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.